ain't trusting you. And I'm so sure for a long time, and this is my first like on the road show, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. This is a song about falling in love. This is off my first record. This is called Dreaming in the City. Couch or living room, there was a time when I used to be there. Things will be better here, but they'll be better, I know. When your heart's already broken, who finds it next is never fair. Watch your mind, watch your thoughts, let those drag you back. Suddenly I feel again what it's like to care. Things are changing, darling, for the better, but I still get scared. Felt your mind sway, it's just the night shaking. Look in my eyes, you can see my heart racing. It's no surprise, like we've known the night shaking. Heard the word of a siren, crash of thunder, seen a flashlight. That's just part of the nighttime, baby. Waking up and dreaming in the city. Whispers of an old lover, couple of friends just laughing at each other. They're just part of the nighttime, baby. Waking up and dreaming in the city. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We've heard the
my name is Beth, by the way. I have social media, you can follow me. I have shirts if you want, clothing. I've got all kinds of stuff. Yeah, this one's called I Notice. Yeah. When I wake up, I don't want to imagine what it'd feel like if you were holding me. I want you to be there, holding me. When I lay down, I don't want to imagine how you sleep. I want you to be there. feel it. I notice when you're here. I know it, I feel it. I notice when you're gone. I know it, I feel it. I notice when you're here. I know it, I feel it. And I'm so tired of trying to seem like I'm not. So goddamn tired, fighting to sleep as it comes on. When you're gone, I notice when you're gone.
Smoke rising, whistle blow. All the people, they come and go. Talking fast, moving slow. There's no stopping, so you wave hello. You can sing a melody that makes me fall apart. And every time I turn around, I'm right back at the start. Only you can play the chord that breaks my heart. Thank you. All right, I have one more song for you this evening. Hope you've enjoyed this science experiment. This is definitely a song that's about what it feels like to have been hurt by love. So I hope that no one's in that situation, but I'm sure that some of you out there have been in that situation. And thank you so much for coming out. Thank you to Sofar for having us. You've been a great audience. I always enjoy playing to these intimate audiences. It's really my favorite way to connect with the musicians. So thank you for having me. And I have music out on Spotify. My name again is MP Gannon. You can follow me on Instagram. I'll be releasing a lot more music this year and touring around as well. So follow along, and I hope to see you at a show down the road. I've been run down, I've been relaxing. And I don't know why I let that woman make me out a fool. She took all my money, oh, and wrecked my new car, yeah. And now she's with one of my good time buddies, drinking at some crosstown bar. Sometimes I feel like I've been tied to the whipping pole, tied to the whipping pole, tied to the whipping pole. Good Lord, I feel like I'm dying. That I've been such a fool. I had to stay on my ticket, babe. Oh, loving you. I drowned myself in sorrow, 'cause look at what you've done. Nothing seems to change, the bad times stay the same, and I can't run. Sometimes I feel, sometimes I feel, yeah, like I'm in time to the whipping post. Tired to the whipping post, tied to the whipping post. Good Lord, I feel like I'm dying. Sometimes I feel, sometimes I feel, yeah, like I'm in time to the whipping post, tired to the whipping post, tied to the whipping post. Good Lord, I feel.
Just a reminder to you guys to thank you all for coming and for supporting these artists, but also to continue to support small and support local. We cannot be here without this community of you all. So New Lieutenant really rough right now. The world's a little rough right now, if we're being honest. So just remembering that on your day-to-day that we're here, and we would not be a community without you all. So I appreciate everything you do. Also the president of Nulu, so I advocate for all of us down here that we want to give back to our community. We want you guys to give back to us, and it goes both ways. It's a two-way street, and if nothing else, I will see you guys down here on March 22nd for some goat races. Awesome! So if you're not back before then, put that on your calendar, and thank you guys so much for coming tonight. Happy Valentine's weekend, and thank you all for supporting these amazing artists, and have a great night.
Woo! Yeah.